What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Today we're looking at the Coleman 425F. This is a dual fuel camp stove. The 425F I think came out in '79, but they've made these back into the '40s, I think. So I picked this up at a flea market or something, and yeah, let's see if we can get this fired up. Now, a couple things to note about these: when you pick them up used like this, a lot of times they have sat for a long time, and there is a seal in here, and I'm going to show you real quick how you can fix that if it's not pumping properly. There's a little clip right here, and you just undo that clip and this whole assembly comes out. You can see there's a spring, but this right here is the seal, and it's actually made out of leather. If I can get that to focus, there we go. See, that's a piece of leather, and after they've been sitting a long time, they'll kind of shrink up, and they won't make a good seal with the walls of your tank. So you can take this out and wet it down and kind of work it out a little bit. This one's in pretty good shape, so we're just going to put it right back in. All right, like that. And then get your holes lined up and put your clip back in, just like that. All right, now I'm going to hook this to the front of the stove, slide through there, and the pipe goes in right there. Then it just hangs off of the front of the stove like that. Okay, now we want this valve turned up, and we want this one closed, so clockwise, and then you want to make sure that this is turned counterclockwise as far as it'll go. That controls this burner. We're going to light this burner first. So first we need to pressurize the tank. This knob right here turns, if you go all the way to the right, that seals it off. There's a little hole in the end of this knob. And when you turn it to the left and you pump, you can feel air coming out here. So you're going to cover up that hole, and then you're just going to start pumping this up. And you're going to want to pump it quite a few times. Get some good pressure going in here. Okay. All right. There we go. You're going to let that run for a little bit. Like that. Now you can use the Coleman fuel or just regular unleaded fuel. And it looks like I'm maybe out of gas here. Let's see. No, there's still some gas in there. We might have just not had enough. All right, let's try it again. Okay. There we go. Yeah, so you let it run for a little while. So the flame goes blue like that. And then you can come over here and light a match. Yeah, I think I'm a little low on fuel, but that's how you do it. That's how you light the Coleman 425F. And if your if your tank isn't pressurizing, it's probably because of that leather seal in there. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button for me, guys. It really helps out. Thanks for watching.